Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger Wildtrak dual cab ute, stock reference number 5575. The shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage, flare is bolted on. Set of aftermarket 17-inch fuel alloy mags, all with good tyres and no rash. Left power door mirror, left side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Factory Wildtrak roller deck with all fittings. Left rear 17-inch fuel alloy mag. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch fuel alloy mag, good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has no damage, right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror, right front 17-inch fuel alloy mag, aftermarket with a good tyre, and a right hand guard, has had the snorkel removed, and also has a flare that's bolted on. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.